घर साफ तो सबको अच्छा लगता है और ये साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन भी है कि घर और आंगन जब साफ रहता है तो वो घर में पॉजिटिव एनर्जी भी फील कराता है। पर घर साफ करना इतना आसान भी नहीं होता, इसके लिए आपको अपना कीमती वक्त निकालना पड़ता है। पर क्या आप जानते हैं, इस काम को आसान बना सकता है आपके लिए एक वैक्यूम क्लीनर। एक वैक्यूम क्लीनर घर साफ करने में आपका बहुत कीमती वक्त बचा सकता है। ये घर के हर कोने में पहुंच के एफर्टलेसली क्लीन करता है और एकदम डीप छुपे हुए डस्ट पार्टिकल्स का भी सफाया कर देता है। So come, let's go on a journey into the world of vacuum cleaners and analyze the factors to consider when selecting the right one for your home. Vacuum cleaners are of two types. First is the dry vacuum cleaner, which is only meant for cleaning dry materials and should never be used to clean up a wet surface, no matter how small, whereas a wet vacuum cleaner is designed in a way that allows for the collection of both dry dust and liquids. Dry vacuum cleaners come in two shapes. One is handheld, which is smaller in size and hence can be used easily. Other model is canister model, which comes in different shapes and have canister for easy transport. Wet and dry vacuums are made up of a main motor unit and a hose with a wand attached to the end of it, and these machines are also called cylinder or barrel vacuums. Consider your home size when selecting the liter capacity. For a cozy 1 BHK, go for 0.5 to 1 liter capacity in handheld or canister. A spacious 3 BHK or individual home may benefit from a 7 to 20 liter capacity wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Finding the right fit ensures efficient cleaning for every square inch of your space. Now, let's move beyond the suction and dive into the other key features that truly matter when choosing your perfect vacuum cleaner. Remember, it's not just about suction, but motor power, noise level, and design that play important roles. Let's break it down. Suction power. Now, let's talk about suction power. Vacuum cleaner suction powers range anywhere between 4 kPa to 25 kPa. We suggest a vacuum with minimum 14 kPa or higher. This ensures that even the tiniest dust particles don't stand a chance, leaving your surfaces super clean. This is especially useful when you have heavy carpets or rugs that need a lot of cleaning, or your home is in a dusty environment. Motor power. Motor power determines the overall performance of a vacuum cleaner. Motor power starts with 500 watts and goes up to 2000 watts. Our recommendation is that for dry vacuum cleaners, consider minimum 800 watt motor, and for wet dry models, minimum 1000 watt motor should be chosen as they are the perfect power motors suitable for Indian cleaning needs. Noise levels. Now, let's talk about noise. The noise level, measured in decibels, is a critical factor, especially if you prefer a quieter cleaning experience. Consider your environment, whether it's a busy household or a noise-sensitive setting. Choosing a vacuum with a comfortable noise level ensures peace along with cleanliness. Anything between 80 to 90 decibels is our recommendation. Filters. Now let's talk about vacuum cleaner filters. Whether it's capturing tiny particles or trapping allergens, the right filters make all the difference. A vacuum cleaner usually has a cloth, disc, sponge or cartridge filter and are usually made of paper or cloth material. These filters usually are classified as standard or HEPA. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air. HEPA filters remove at least 99.97% of airborne particles up to 0.3 micrometers in diameter. If you have a family member at home who is allergic to dust, then a HEPA filter vacuum cleaner is advised. When you're in the market for a vacuum cleaner, make sure it comes equipped with these absolute must-haves. First up, we have the upholstery tool. This handy accessory is perfect for efficiently cleaning sofas, chairs, and other fabric-covered surfaces. Next on the list, we have the dust brush. It is used to whisk away dust from shelves, blinds, and other surfaces. Its soft bristles ensure a gentle touch while leaving your surfaces impeccably clean. For your home flooring, we introduced the floor brush. Tailored for surfaces like hardwood or tiles, this accessory ensures a thorough cleaning without a scratch. Now, let's talk carpets, and for that, you need the carpet brush. Designed to penetrate deep into carpet fibers, this tool tackles dirt and grime, leaving your carpets looking brand new. Last but certainly not the least, the crevice tool, your solution for those hard-to-reach spots. Whether it's between sofa cushions or along baseboards, this accessory gets into every nook and cranny, ensuring no dust is left behind. So ये थे कुछ मस्ट हैव एक्सेसरीज जो बिल्कुल ज़रूरी हैं एक इंडियन घर की पूरी सफाई के लिए। इन पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ ना करें और वही वैक्यूम क्लीनर खरीदें जिनमें ये सारे अटैचमेंट्स हों। Although there are numerous brands in the market, our suggestion is to buy from brands like Eureka Forbes, Bosch, Stanley Black & Decker and Washer, as these brands are market leaders and have excellent quality and service. Now, let us suggest you some top models which are best suited for Indian conditions. Our suggestion for handheld vacuum cleaners are Eureka Forbes Super Clean Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This model has a pressure of 16 kPa and motor power of 800 watts. This model comes with a flexible hose, multi-purpose brush, accessory adapter and nozzle, upholstery brush, floor and carpet brush, shoulder strap and blower adapter. Eureka Forbes Super Clean also comes with a 1-year overall product warranty. This model is currently priced at $2,799. Washer 908K 2-in-1 handheld vacuum cleaner. This model has a pressure of 17 kPa and motor power of 800 watts. This model comes with an adapter, hose pipe, round brush, crevice nozzle, handle and floor brush with wheels. Washer 908K vacuum cleaner also comes with a 1-year overall product warranty. This model is currently priced at $2,199. In wet and dry vacuum cleaners, here are some of the top models we suggest. Black & Decker BDWD08B1 1000 watts 8 litre wet and dry vacuum cleaner. This model has a pressure of 14 kPa and motor power of 1000 watts. This model comes with a hose handle, floor brush, bristle brush and crevice nozzle. It comes with a 1-year overall product warranty and is currently priced at $2,499. Black & Decker WD-BD15 15 litre wet and dry vacuum cleaner. This model has a pressure of 16 kPa and motor power of 1400 watts. This model comes with a hose handle, floor brush, bristle brush and crevice nozzle. It comes with a 1-year overall product warranty and is currently priced at $5,499. And there you have it, folks, your comprehensive guide to choosing the perfect vacuum cleaner. We've covered everything from efficiency to technical features, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to make a better choice. To buy the best vacuum cleaners for your home, you can visit your nearest IVO store and we would be happy to assist you. बस याद रखिएगा, घर की सफाई में आपका सच्चा साथी है आपका ट्रस्टेड वैक्यूम क्लीनर. Happy cleaning!